This is a domino game where our tiles have symbols, key signatures, and major names and minor names. A key signature will match either its major name or its minor name, and those three symbols match in any combination. So I will play that with them. By the time they play the game even once, they're quite fast at it. How many sharps is this?
F, C, G, D, A.
Yeah, if A sharp is your last sharp,
A sharp.
find that, and you go up a half step, it tells you the major key.
B.
B. Can you match it?
B major.
And then once you know the major tonic, the note, first note, then you go down 3 half steps. So 1, 2, 3. So
D,
E minor.
E minor, E minor.
So I think you're drawing again.
G major. Boom.
That's it. So what are the 4 sharps?
F, C, G, and D.
So,
D sharp,
and so what major?
E major, or C sharp minor.
Good. That's too bad because I could have played on E major. Okay, C sharp or A sharp. I can't match that, but I do have a couple of logos. I think I'll do this one. Now it's your turn. So 4 sharps are what?
So that's F, C, G, D.
Good. So
D
it's
sharp, or E major, or C sharp minor.
good. Very good.
I cannot.
That's also good. I might win.